Well, I'm on day 5 of my cross-country road trip. I'm not sure how well, hold on, let me clean off this camera a little bit. This phone has been through a lot. Maybe that's a little bit better. So I'm on day 5 of my cross-country road trip, and honestly, we've just been driving and hanging out with friends the whole time. I have made it to Marfa, Texas. Now, I have always wanted to go here, and everyone was always like, Kate, why do you want to go there? There's nothing there. And I was like, oh, there's got to be stuff there. It's Marfa. It's supposed to be the coolest place ever. Now, I am here to report there is literally nothing here, yet it is the coolest place ever. We drove through, now we were supposed to get here yesterday, but it ended up blizzarding like so bad. So we called it quits at Alpine, Texas, and waited out the storm, which was a really fun experience once it was over. Now, my friend was like, oh, like today we can go to all your antique malls. And I was like, okay, great. It's been a while. And then I Googled it and I was like, oh, guess what? There's actually no antique malls here. Because like I said, there's a lot of this. But we love that. So anyway, this is kind of going to become maybe like a compilation of things at this point, since we're only like 14 hours from our final destination. So first stop is Marfa. This is it. And I'm not sure what else we're gonna get into, but hopefully this creates a complete video. Dude, Ed,
yeah.
watch out for rattlesnakes. Watch out for snakes. Lots of this. So I'm on day 6 out here. We just made it to Arizona. We've been in Arizona for a little bit. Now, I've always been obsessed with like weird roadside attractions. We got to see Prada Marfa this morning, which was super awesome. We enjoyed stargazing and the Marfa lights. We just kind of hung out in Marfa for a couple of days, which is surprising because there, like I said earlier, there was nothing there, but I was super into it. It is beautiful here. I'm in like Benson, Arizona, but I have made it to one of my biggest bucket lists ever, The Thing. I don't want to ruin the surprise for anyone because the whole thing is you don't know what the thing actually is. I've been taking pictures of every single billboard for the past like 300 something miles. I am like over the moon excited. The Thing. Yeah, it is like insanely freaking beautiful. The weather is perfect. Gosh, this is awesome. It's kind of funny though, my friend and I were joking that my biggest what I want to do on a cross-country road trip was stop at a Shell gas station, but this is totally living up to my expectations so far. This is my paradise. Like, I kind of want one of these. Yo, but like also these t-shirts. Oh my gosh. Dream catchers. Lots of dolls. Spoiler alert. Yo, what? What if dinosaurs were ruled by aliens from another planet? Dude. This is my favorite place I've ever been in my life, which is really embarrassing because I don't think it's supposed to be. But this is pretty freaking tight. This is very, very strange, but I'm into it. Mysterious cave dwellers. As the aliens established themselves on Earth, the curious scientists, cave dwellers. Okay. It's getting. The bones were thought to be discovered in southern Arizona. Notice the strange markings they have. What if the first evidence of advanced technology interfacing with dinosaur DNA also has strange burn marks? What if the dinosaurs were involved with some great battle? Also, my friend hates this. He's waiting in the car. All right. What if human history as you know it is a lie? What? Now take a journey through time. Ancient history retold. Alright. But I still don't know what the thing is. Is this the thing coming up? Yo, what? Okay. The world gets smaller. This thing is like, well, not this thing. This place is much bigger than I had anticipated. I kind of felt like I was gonna go in here and get a weird t-shirt and then see what the thing is, but this is a whole thing. Okay, we're approaching people, but this is pretty tight. What if this 1937 Rolls Royce was really used by Winston Churchill? Yo, what? Aliens have always been here. What if? Conspiracies, cover up, and concealment. I'm gonna do one of these so I can look at this later, since my friend's like legit about to leave me on the side of the road at this Shell gas station in the middle of nowhere, Arizona. Okay, we have like Elvis. Somehow Elvis is involved. Man, I just really... Wait, what if Elvis was actually... What if aliens secretly control our mind? Aliens? Elvis? Apollo? Yo. The suspense is actually annoying me, mostly because I kind of have to pee, and my friend's causing me anxiety by waiting in the van outside. I don't really trust that. Here lies the thing. Okay. Spoiler alert. If you do not want to see what the thing is, please turn this video off immediately. There it is. The thing. What is it? So questions has bewildered us for over 50 years. Ancient artifact. Yo. Larger governments can... This is crazy, the propaganda, but I kind of like it. Someone is really creative.